Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty Unboxing Videos. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me. This is another throwback bonus box from Target. If you've seen my other Target bonus video, they had bonus boxes. They had like 4 or 5 boxes in March in addition to the regular box, and I got 2 of them. This is the Treat Yourself box. So it says, hello, relaxation. We all deserve a little me time, so every now and then you gotta hashtag treat yourself. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll pamper you from head to toe. So let's get into these fun things and find out what I'm gonna pamper myself with. So, hey everyone, I got the Treat Yourself Target bonus beauty box. Whoop! Hello, Relaxation. It's got all the little fun products here on the back. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have Bodycology Free and Lovely Coconut and Rose Body Butter. So it says the best time to apply body butter is just after your bath or shower to lock in the moisture. So it's supposed to be softening with cocoa and shea, which is fun. Then we have Dr. Teals Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath with Epsom salt and essential oils. It's supposed to be pink Himalayan salt to replenish and recharge. Who doesn't love that? And it's liquid, which is even more fun because one thing I hate when you do like this bath salts is they get all gritty in your tub and then you can't get them to melt all the way. And I don't know if you heard that, but that's my printer apparently is possessed by the devil and has decided to update its Wi-Fi on itself. So, yay. Then we have Me Bath, Teeny Me, Lavender Lullaby, a bath bomb. It's supposed to make your skin super soft, but what's cool is I like to take a lavender bath and then go straight to Sleepy Town because you're all relaxed and you're like, so that's fun. Then we have Luxe by Mr. Bubble. Who knew Mr. Bubble from when we were little, you know, in the little pink thing and the big old smiley bubble in the thing? Apparently, he's making adult stuff now. So, melts away bath candies. I don't know what a bath candy is. I'm pretty sure you don't eat it. So, bath candies are enriched with vitamin E and C. So apparently, you're supposed to run it under warm running water and it may add subtle color to your bath and dissolve and soak. Okay, no idea, but it's a bath candy. Apparently baths have candies now. Then we have, if I can find it, Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. So, I can't get it open. I think it's sealed. It is sealed. Oh boy. Well, that's embarrassing. I was going to, oh, there we go. Anyway. Oh, that's nice. A little bit of sheer color there in the lip balm. It's starting to get cold here in Chicago, so I don't leave house without lip balm. And it's got a little instruction for do it at home lip scrub with a little olive oil and sugar. Put it on a toothbrush and, or I could use the 6 gazillion lip scrubs that I have. Then we have Olay Whips Facial Moisturizer. It's an ultra lightweight moisturizer and it doesn't get heavy on your face. I love it. This is one of my favorite products. All kinds of weird noises in my apartment tonight. I don't know if you just heard that. That apparently is my radiator saying it's cold AF in Chicago. Then finally we have Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. So it's a foamy experience that removes grime without dryness. So it is for your face. It's facial cleaner. I'm excited to try it. What's really cool is as an actor, a bunch of us got together and convinced Jessica Alba, who owns Honest Beauty, to start shooting her ads as union productions. Yes, a union actor shooting their ads that they're not in as non-union productions is still not cool. So now, that's awesome. So otherwise this was going to go. So there's that. That is everything in the Treat Yourself box. Until next time, stay beautiful.